Hey friends, and welcome back! In this video, we're taking adventures to a new height as we zip through the jungle in Thailand. Get ready for stunning views, big thrills, good bites, and a whole lot of fun.
All right, you ready?
Yeah,
Ready to do some zipping?
yeah.
All right, let's hear you say zipline!
Zipline.
Shaka, bra! Woohoo! All right, nice zip!
Well, how was it, Cartman? It's totally stupid, dude. Oh, really?
For this adventure, we're at Flying Hanuman in Kathu, Thailand. Flying Hanuman offers different packages based on how many zip lines you want to do or whether you'd like a photographer to capture the experience. We went all in with the most zip lines and added a photographer, and it was so worth it. Out of everything we did on this trip, this was hands down the best day for rain. Zipping through the jungle with the rain coming down felt so freeing. And we also lucked out with timing. Our early zip session combined with the weather meant it was just Mike, me, and the incredible crew. Some lady named Kim Kardashian? I don't know, have you ever heard of her, Mike?
No.
Well, she's apparently zipped here along with plenty of other famous faces like Usain Bolt and many more. We thought that was pretty cool. Safety is a top priority here, which we really appreciated. They gave us a bandana to protect our hair, walked us through all the safety steps, and made sure we knew how to zip properly. They were super thorough with instructions. Plus, they provided free water bottles to attach to our harness, which was a great touch for staying hydrated while we trekked from one zip line to the next. Wearing proper footwear is key for activities like this since the climb to the first post was pretty steep. The crew was great about letting us take breaks when needed and kept an eye on everyone to make sure we were comfortable and having a good time. There's not much for us to say here until we reach the end of our ziplining, and then we get to indulge in some wonderful food that was included with our zipline package. So for now, we'll let you enjoy some of what we got to experience. The rain started coming down pretty hard, and we fully embraced it. Honestly, it felt like we were living in a movie. So sit back and enjoy.
This man is making sure I'm safe.
What to see? Let's go!
Woo! That's fun.
You like that?
Yeah. It's free. Okay, we're done ziplining, smiles beaming from ear to ear, fully soaked but feeling amazing. We gather our items and head over to their beautiful lounge area where they've laid out a full table of food for us. They made sure to accommodate my vegetarian preferences and allergies perfectly. The meals were absolutely delicious. Such a great way to end an exhilarating activity. We can't recommend this place enough. Not only was it incredibly fun with stunning views, great staff, and tasty food, but the prices were also super reasonable and on the lower side. Flying Hanuman gets a big 5 out of 5 from us. If you're in this part of Thailand and you're looking for an adrenaline rush, look no further. This is 100% the place to be. All right, thanks for joining us on this adventure, friends. We had an absolute blast and we hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed ziplining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of our travels. See you in the next one.
Zipline!